Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a bit of a different video today. As you can see, I'm not in my bedroom for once, and I'm also not on land. In fact, I'm on the River Ouse. Lovely. Currently kayaking with Jack, who is there he is, he's over there, he's playing with a tennis ball. But yes, I thought I'd film a little video for you today, seeing as it's a bit different. And yeah, I'd like to say hi to my subscribers.
Hi.
I hate you.
Shrimp. Oops. Hi, shrimp.
That's so weird. And we have a very special video for you today. We are going to be attempting a world record. Jack is going to see how many keepy uppies he can do with a paddle and a tennis board. With a random boy found in a ditch on the River Ouse. Okay, here's attempt number 1, 2, 3. Where's it gone? 4. Oh my gosh, I'm too close.
So hit you in the face.
For attempt number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We can CGI it in, it's fine.
Attempt number 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bastard.
You're shite. He's a shite one of this one. Attempt number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh shit! Oh, I'm gonna want ass! I don't want to play this game anymore!
When do you eat Easter eggs? Supposedly Easter Sunday. Look at the butt! That's a pretty big butt. Bye butt!
I'm gonna touch the butt!
Oh, I'm rocking. I'm rocking.
Can you limbo? I can limbo! Come on, keep going.
You can do it, friend.
4 more miles to the pub. Come on.
Going deep underground. Oh,
This isn't nice to climb.
it's really hard to paddle with one hand. Oh. It's like Grandmother Willow. I literally can't paddle right now. I got a bush in my face. This is rather cool. There's a fight. No. He's behind you. He's behind you. Psst. Psst. Here comes the other one.
They can't see us if we don't move.
Why are you American?
I thought it was a bit like Jurassic Park.
Hey friends. So Jack thought he was being really clever. I'm going to show you what he's just done. Here he is. He's he tried to go over this grassy section. I'm free! You're free? You silly plonker! No. I just nearly died. Okay. We have reached a part in our journey. Oh. Okay. Where we're surrounded by swans. For anyone who's not from the UK, thought I'd let you know that if you injure or kill a swan, it is illegal. Illegal, but yeah, it's illegal.
Because they're the queens.
They all belong to the Queen. Queenie. I'm going past you now, bye.
Bye.
Oh hey. Don't think they understood you.
Alan! Alan!
Oh, it's Steve. Here he goes. He's going in for a landing. Meow.
Leroy! Jenkins!
Who? Oh, what a successful landing it was. Chugga 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 chugga. Okay, so we're now at the end of our video. Sad times, but fun times. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll do more soon. I'm being stared at by Jack. What? I know. Said I'm drifting away. Anyway, bye!
Congratulations, you have now landed. Please keep all arms and legs in the vehicle at all times.
I nearly died.
How you doing?